In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design emails in Figma. We'll start by finding a ready-made email template, bring it into your workspace. Customize it to match your brand, and then export your design so it's ready to use in your email service provider. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along whether you are new to Figma or just need a quick refresher. From your Figma dashboard, click on Explore Community. This is where creators share templates and resources you can duplicate and adapt. In the search bar, type email templates. You'll see a variety of layouts, newsletters, announcements, product features, and more. Take a moment to preview the thumbnails and read the descriptions so you choose a design structure that matches your content. Like a hero section, product blocks, and a footer. Picking a layout that's close to what you need keeps edits light and consistent. Once you find a template you like, select it and click Open in Figma. This saves a copy to your drafts, which means you are working on your own version without changing the original. It's a safe, non-destructive way to experiment. If the file contains multiple pages or variants, scan the Layers panel to get familiar with the sections and focus on the frames labeled for the email body. Now customize the content. Double-click any text to edit headings, subheads, and body copy. Keep paragraphs concise and scannable, and stick to a clear hierarchy so the most important information stands out. For images, select a placeholder or existing photo. Then use the Fill panel to swap it with your own. You can adjust cropping, corner radius, and scaling here for a clean, consistent look. Update brand colors by selecting elements and applying your palette. If the template uses color styles, update those to role changes across the design. Maintain strong contrast for readability, and keep spacing consistent between sections. Matching paddings and margins helps your email feel professional and cohesive. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. If you are not using a plugin, export your sections as high-resolution PNGs or JPGs for use in your email service provider. Select each section or frame you plan to upload. Open the Export panel, choose PNG or JPG, and set an appropriate scale such as 2x to keep images crisp. JPG often keeps file sizes smaller for photos, while PNG is great for sharp graphics. Name your files clearly so you can place them in order inside your ESP, and keep an eye on file sizes to help emails load quickly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.